Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your study abroad experience with Study Abroad 101 step by step clearly. Begin by researching your desired study abroad destinations. Identify the academic programs that interest you. Consider the cultural, social, and economic environments of each location. Evaluate the language requirements for your chosen programs. Next, create a budget that covers tuition, living expenses, and travel. Take into account potential scholarships and financial aid opportunities. Once you have a budget, gather necessary documents for your application. These may include transcripts, letters of recommendation, and personal statements. Start networking with past study abroad participants to gain insights. Their experiences can provide valuable information about what to expect. Choose a program that aligns with your academic goals and personal interests. Contact your academic advisor to ensure that credits will transfer. After selecting a program, submit your application well before the deadline. Stay organized by keeping track of application requirements and deadlines. Once accepted, prepare for your departure by securing housing. Research accommodation options, whether on campus or off campus. Secure travel arrangements, including flights to your destination. Familiarize yourself with local customs and social etiquette. Understand the healthcare options available in the country you're visiting. Acquaint yourself with public transportation options for getting around. Pack according to the climate and culture of your host country. Stay connected with support services offered by your program provider. Keep in touch with your family and friends back home for emotional support. Once you arrive, take time to acclimate to your new environment. Explore local attractions and engage in cultural experiences. Attend orientation programs offered by your host institution. Meet fellow students and establish a support network. Set academic goals for your time abroad to guide your studies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.